Introducing Operator, the newest multi-purpose AI robot from Ultra. Built for the industrial businesses that power our physical economy. Operator slots into existing workstations and automates critical warehouse tasks, order packaging, sorting, and kitting. It handles an endless variety of items, packing them into bags, mailers, and boxes, with the dexterity and intelligence to adapt on the fly. Operator installs in just hours. Roll it up, plug it in, turn it on. No fixed infrastructure or expensive integration. It's stationary by design, so there's no risk of tipping and no downtime from charging or battery swaps. And Operator reaches across the entire work cell, up to 10 feet high and down to the floor. Operator is powered by AI that continuously learns from Ultra's entire fleet, allowing it to navigate complex tasks and changing workflows, so your business can remain flexible and scale quickly. We didn't design Operator in a lab. We developed it in the field with real businesses. Built in New York, running in warehouses across America. Operator by Ultra, available and shipping today.